Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So of course it's another video for you guys. It was highly requested that I do like a dupe for Dual Forms, so here it is. I'm starting the intro a little bit earlier because in the beginning of the video I do show what I used. I only used about like 7 items, so I just want to show that in the video. So right here I'm just using press-on nails that I ordered from Amazon, the nail brush from Burano's poly gel, their primer and base coat. I got these in a nail kit, and also their top coat. And I'm also using some pigments. So right here I am just testing out the press-on nails and finding what fits for me. So this is the actual dupe. The reason why this actually worked is because they are shiny in the inside, so they're not buffed and they're not matte, so of course they're not gonna stick to the gel unless you prep them and make them dull and take off the shine. So that is one reason why they actually didn't stick to the poly gel and actually were a dupe for Dual Forms. Now the reason why I made this is because a lot of you guys didn't want to purchase Dual Forms, and you guys have regular press-on nail tips at the house, or you can even get them from Dollar Tree for $1. And yeah, I'm also going to do a video on that, so stay tuned. And right here I'm just applying the primer first. I'm doing it in real time so you guys can see, and then I'm going to be applying the base coat. So this actually really worked, and it works really good, so I am not mad at it. I'm very content on how it came out. It came out with the shape. It came out thick. It wasn't like, it didn't feel thin. It didn't feel like it was gonna break. So that is a plus. The Dual Forms, you do have to make your own shape when you use the Dual Forms. So this hack right here actually saves you so much time, and not only that, it makes the shape of the actual press-on nail that you're doing, so you don't have to shape them. You don't have to do none of that. I did shape them up a little bit because it does lose its shape, but it actually gives you the stiletto shape, so that way you can just shape it up and make it look nice. And if I say shape one more time, I'm going to curse myself out. But yeah, so I just went with a nice stiletto shape and that is what the nail came out like. And I was super excited because it came out beautiful. Like, it looks so natural and so flush to the nail. I didn't think that this was gonna work, and I kid you not, you guys, I was like, oh my god, please work, because I do not want to go through all of this and it does not work. But it ended up working very good. So I just do like how I do Dual Forms, and then I'm just gonna actually clean it up because this actually makes a little bit more mess than Dual Forms. And I'm gonna be flipping my nail over like I do regular Dual Forms and clean it up on the bottom, and that is about it. That's all that I do. This literally took me about 15 minutes to do on one hand, and the reason why it took me so long is because I was talking with my mom while doing the video, and just, it was, yeah. So in reality it would have taken me like 10 minutes to do everything, shape and everything on one hand. So on 2 hands it probably would have took me about 20 minutes. So I'm not mad at the time. And not only that, I got a nice stiletto shape that I was very excited about. So that's all that I did. I didn't do anything to the press-on nail because I wanted to not make them dull and all that stuff, because I didn't want the polygel to stick. I wanted them to be able to pop off very easy. And if you guys seen in the beginning of the video when I saved the 2 nail tips, you're gonna see why I saved them at the end of the video when we go to pop them off. And then I just clean them up on the bottom just so that way there's no residue underneath. I did leave residue on the middle finger, and I actually wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you don't clean it up. I cleaned it up a little bit on the middle finger, but I left some just so you can see, and I literally forgot to show it in the video. So good job, Christina, you are just making things happen. But other than that, this dupe actually does work. I'm very excited that it does. And yeah, if you wanted to do coffin, if you have coffin press-on nails, try that. If you have square press-on nails, try that. And definitely tag me in your pictures, because I would love to see what you guys create if you try this out. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of mess. Like, it does create a lot of mess, so that is one thing. And yeah, that is about it. That's kind of all that I do. If you guys just want to continue watching the video, I'm going to pop back in when we go to pop them off, because I do want to explain what I was doing and why I was doing it for you guys, so you guys can see. And I literally forgot to show you the residue that was left underneath, what happens when you don't clean the nail underneath. So make sure you clean them underneath if you want to get out that thick layer. So now we're gonna get into popping them off. I didn't record the whole thing because my camera literally died, but right here I'm just lifting it up, and the reason why I'm holding it is because it actually sticks so good that it hurts when you go to pop it off. This is with just regular polygel too. The dual forms also, the other ones that I used, it hurts when you go to pop them off, so I definitely just hold it. And as you guys can see, I just lift up the little corner, stick the nail underneath, and take it off. You're not damaging your nail, and you're not damaging the other nail. You're just popping off the thing, and it pops off pretty easy because it is not prepped, so it just pops off like nothing. And right here, like I was saying, I didn't finish recording that because my camera actually died in the middle of it, and yeah, I had to plug it in. So I plugged it in and then finished doing what I had to do. And right here I'm just applying a top coat, which is the Burano top coat, and I'm adding the pigment. After I add the pigment, I'm going to add another top coat, and I'm good to go. Add some cuticle oil, and you can go about your business. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this dupe, and I hope you guys try it. Also, make sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends so they can learn this dupe also, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and also on my Facebook page, because I am doing a giveaway on this Burano Nail Kit, and I'm doing the other polygel kit on my Facebook page.